Yo, what's up everyone? It's Florin. We all know consistency is key when it comes to building a YouTube channel. But let's be real, manually uploading and promoting every single video across multiple platforms, that's a grind. So today, we're diving deep into how to automate your entire YouTube hosting process using the power duo, Google Sheets and Make.com. We're talking seamless scheduling, automatic posting to Facebook and TikTok, and a whole lot more. Let's get this automation party started. First things first, we need a home base for all your awesome content. This is where everything will come together, a central hub that will keep you organized and on track. We're going to build that right inside Google Sheets. It's a powerful tool that offers flexibility and ease of use, perfect for managing your video content. Think of it like mission control for your videos. Just like NASA needs a control room to manage their space missions, you need a control room for your content. Open up a brand new sheet and create some columns. These columns will be the backbone of your content management system. We're talking video title, video description, gotta get that SEO juice flowing. Video file URL, scheduled date, and dedicated captions for Facebook and TikTok. Each column serves a specific purpose and will help you stay organized. This sheet is going to be the brain holding all the essential info for each upload. It's where you'll keep track of everything from the initial idea to the final upload. Take your time, get organized, and fill in those rows with all the fire content you've got planned. The more detailed you are, the easier it will be to manage your content in the long run. This setup will save you time and headaches down the road, making your content creation process smoother and more efficient. Once you've got your sheet set up, review it to make sure everything is in place. Double-check your columns and rows and ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. This is your content's home base, so it needs to be perfect. Congratulations! You've just created a powerful tool that will help you manage your video content like a pro. With this Google Sheet setup, you're well on your way to creating and organizing amazing content. Keep it updated and let it guide you through your content creation journey. With our content prepped, it's time to head over to Make.com, the automation platform we'll be using to work some magic. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, hit that Create a New Scenario button, and let's get this automation party started. Make.com is all about connecting different apps and services, and we're going to set it up so it grabs all the info from your Google Sheet and does the heavy lifting for you. Think of triggers like setting an alarm, but for your automation. We're going to use the Google Sheets Watch Rows module to tell Make.com to keep an eye on your spreadsheet. Connect your Google account, select your content schedule sheet, and choose how you want to trigger the automation. You can trigger it every time a new row is added, or get super specific and trigger it when the scheduled date matches the current date. It's all about what works best for your workflow. Chapter 4, the power of filters, posting like clockwork. Now let's talk about control. You're the boss here, and you get to decide when your videos go live. We can add a filter to make sure your videos are only posted on the days you want. Want to stick to a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule? No problem. Just configure the filter to check if the scheduled date from your Google Sheet falls on one of those days. Make.com will take care of the rest, ensuring your content drops exactly when you want it to. Chapter 5, Lights, Camera, Upload, Sending Your Video to YouTube. Here's where the real magic happens, getting your video live on YouTube. This is the moment you've been waiting for, where all your hard work comes together. You've spent hours planning, shooting, and editing your video, and now it's time to share it with the world. We'll use the YouTube Upload a Video module for this. This module simplifies the process, making it easy to upload your video directly from your computer or cloud storage. No need to manually enter all the details. The module takes care of most of it for you. Make sure your YouTube account is connected, and then it's just a matter of mapping the fields. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the information about your video is correctly uploaded. From the title to the description and even the tags, everything needs to be in place. Remember those columns we created in Google Sheets? They are essential for organizing your video details. Each column represents a different piece of information that YouTube needs to know about your video. This is where they shine. Connect your video title, video description, and other metadata fields to the module's parameters. This ensures that your video is properly categorized and easy to find for viewers. And most importantly, your video file URL to the module's parameters. The video file URL is the link to where your video is stored, whether it's on your computer or in cloud storage. Make sure your video file is accessible. Google Drive is your friend here, and you're good to go. Once everything is set up, hit the upload button and watch as your video goes live. Congratulations, you've just uploaded your video to YouTube. Sharing the fire, automating your Facebook posts. With the video prepped for YouTube, let's get it shared on Facebook. Grab the Facebook pages, create a post module, connect your Facebook account, and choose the page you want to post to. Now for the fun part, crafting the perfect post. Pull in the Facebook caption from your Google Sheet and combine it with the YouTube video link we just retrieved. Boom, you've got an engaging post ready to go live. Chapter 7, TikTok Takeover, automating your TikTok posts. Next up, TikTok. We're going to use the TikTok Upload a Video module to conquer another platform. Connect your TikTok account, grab the same video file URL we used for YouTube, and don't forget to add that catchy TikTok caption from your Google Sheet. Remember, different platforms, different vibes. Tailor those captions to perfection. Chapter 8, Test, Activate, Relax, letting automation do its thing. Before we unleash this automation beast, let's do a test run. Make.com lets you run the entire scenario manually, so you can make sure everything is working smoothly. Watch as your video uploads to YouTube, check those Facebook and TikTok posts, make sure everything looks perfect. Once you're confident, it's time to automate. Set the scenario to run automatically based on your schedule, sit back, and let Make.com handle the rest. Chapter 9, Level Up Your Content Game. And there you have it, a fully automated YouTube posting process. No more late-night uploads, no more scrambling to share across platforms. You've just unlocked a whole new level of efficiency. Now you can focus on what truly matters, creating awesome content. But this is just the beginning. Make.com opens up a world of automation possibilities. Explore, experiment, and see what other tasks you can automate in your workflow. The future of content creation is here, and it's automated. Outro, unlocking automation domination. So there you have it, your YouTube posting fully automated with the power of Google Sheets and Make.com. Imagine the hours you can save by not having to manually upload each video, write descriptions, and schedule posts. This automation not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures consistency in your posting schedule, which is crucial for growing your audience. With this setup, you can focus more on creating high-quality content and less on the repetitive tasks that can bog you down. You've leveled up your content game, streamlined your workflow, and freed up a ton of time to focus on what matters most, creating incredible videos. This newfound efficiency allows you to experiment with new ideas, collaborate with other creators, and engage more with your audience. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools at your disposal. Automation is not just about saving time. It's about unlocking your creative potential and taking your channel to new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, as it really supports the channel and helps others discover this content. Your engagement is what keeps this community thriving and growing. Every like, comment, and share makes a difference and motivates us to bring you even more valuable content. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials so you can stay ahead of the curve and continue to improve your workflow. We cover a wide range of topics, from automation to productivity hacks, all designed to help you become a more efficient and effective creator. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss out on any of our future videos. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future automation domination. Notifications will alert you as soon as a new video is uploaded, keeping you in the loop and ready to implement the latest tips and tricks. Stay informed and stay ahead with real-time updates. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Remember, the journey to mastering automation is ongoing, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming a more efficient and successful creator. Keep pushing the boundaries and exploring new possibilities. See you soon.